Reminder, if anybody, you could be in Mr. Luna's class too, if you need math tutoring and you want to do it at home, virtually, we can do that. You just gotta let me know, okay? Any subject, we can help, okay? For my class on Thursday, if you're relocating, on Thursday, if you're not testing English 2, we're going to relocate third period to ISA 204. So that's my Mr. G's class on Thursday if you're not testing. And all of us have a test on Thursday for geometry if you're not EOC testing. So if you're EOC testing on Thursday, you'll just take your test on Friday. Cool? For all geometry classes, which is everyone in this room. Okay? Now, this warm-up, these are the more tricky problems that some of y'all are getting stuck on the assignment. So I wanted to make sure I show you on the board here. So first one, number one, look. It says to find PM. So the arc PM, I'm going to put an X on that. By the way, if you're in my class, I got the blue bin right here. So if you need a warm-up sheet, there they are. Okay. Now, on the notes we said, you always start your equation with the angle. So what angle do I have here? 59, okay? So don't start your equation with X. I know it's tempting, but you have to start with the angle. Hey, yeah, you get this down? Do you have a warm-up sheet? Okay, so here we go. Angle first, 59 equals, and then our equation has, for an outside angle like this, does everyone see the vertex N is on the outside? You put 1/2 parentheses. See, this is where my pen messes up. 1/2, looks horrible. And if you remember from our notes, it's big arc minus small arc. Do y'all see the intercepted arcs are X and 21? You're not adding them because the angle is outside. You are subtracting them. So the big arc, the PM, is X minus the small arc. So this one minus this one. So minus 21. But my pen is jacked up. Minus 21. Okay. Now, we definitely did one like this or two like this on the notes, but as a reminder, if I'm solving for X, first I need to get rid of a 1/2. 1/2 means dividing by 2. What's the opposite of dividing by 2? Multiplying. So on each side, I'm going to multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Does anyone know what 59 times 2 is? $108? 118, okay? 118 equals X minus 21. Whoa. Last step, how do I get rid of a minus 21? Plus. Opposite of minus is plus. So if you just got here, make sure you pull out your warm-ups or get that one out of the blue bin if you lost it. Okay, so plus 21, plus 21. 118 plus 21 is 139 degrees. Okay. So on your assignment, that is called arcs and angles from 4.8 that you were working on yesterday, which you can get out of this blue bin right here, right, if you don't have it yet. This is how you do one when you're missing an arc, okay? Normally you're missing the angle outside, but this is when you're missing an arc that it intercepts. Very important, okay? Number 2 here. We're looking for JH. So I'm going to put a little X at JH, the arc. Just like last time, you have to start with the angle. I know we're tempted to always start with X, but in your equation, you start with the angle. Do y'all see in the inside? It's not a central angle, it's just an angle on the inside. It's 55 degrees. Let's write that down. 55 equals, and that 55-degree angle intercepts 2 arcs. So the equation is going to look pretty similar. You got this warm-up sheet? Because you can get one if you don't. So similar equation. We put the 1/2 parentheses, and we are going to, instead of subtracting for the outside angle, we are going to add for our inside angle. So we're going to do 76 plus x. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know it looks ugly because this pen is not helping me out. Just like last time, first I want to get rid of that half. To get rid of a half, which is dividing by 2, the opposite is multiplying by 2 on both sides. So times 2 here, times 2 here. Oh my gosh. Scratch those out. 55 times 2. Thank you. 110 equals, oh my gosh, equals 76 plus x. Can somebody help me, please? How do I get rid of that 76? How do I get rid of a positive number? What's the opposite? Minus. Thank you so much. Minus 76 on both sides. Oh my gosh. Minus 76 minus 76. Just write the dang number. Okay, just write it. Okay. So what's 110 minus 76? 34 equals x. So you should get 34 degrees. These are the special kinds of these types of problems. Arcs and angles, that assignment from 4/8 from yesterday. If you're missing an arc, this is how you do it. You also have examples on your notes. If you need a copy of the notes, they're in the blue bin right here, right? They're on the Google Classroom, in the cloud. Okay? So if you're in my class, do you all see up here in red? These are the 3 things that hopefully I can get in the grade book today, or partially. Okay? Those 3 things plus last week's warm-up sheet are going in the grade book. 4 things. All right? We have a test on Thursday, or if you're not going to be here, you'll have it on Friday. So you can start this review. Does everyone see right here in my class? Review, right here. Officially, tomorrow's review day, but if you want to get a head start, if you finished everything else, you may. There it is. Okay, tomorrow for the review, I will have the key and the video posted. You got to review to get a good test grade. We got to finish strong, right? Some of us have been lacking and slacking. Been content with being mid, but let's get goated. You know what I'm saying? Don't be high key mid. No cap. For real, for real. Thank you for your time and attention. Please get started and work.